Women's rights need to be further implemented and protected. At its 15th session in September, the Human Rights Council dedicated 2 panel discussions to this issue. It adopted a resolution recalling states of their obligation to take all appropriate measures to eliminate discrimination against women, and a working group was established to propose ways of better combating discrimination. The human rights situations in Somalia, Sudan, Cambodia, and DRC were also discussed.
Le parquet militaire était enjoint pour que les cas de 151 viols et violences sexuelles dénoncés dernièrement à l'est de la République démocratique du Congo dans un rapport des Nations Unies soient poursuivis et réprimés par les juridictions compétentes.
The Council stressed the importance of the freedom of association and assembly and decided to appoint a special rapporteur to address this issue. An intergovernmental working group was also created to elaborate a legally binding instrument to regulate the activities of private military and security companies. The High Commissioner for Human Rights expressed her trouble and concern at the situation of Roma in Europe and at measures taken to fight terrorism.
I'm troubled by reports concerning a program by the United States of targeted killings of suspected terrorists in circumstances that challenge international norms set to protect the right to life and the rule of law. The often stereotyping and discriminatory rhetoric by officials and by the media when referring to the Roma in Europe is also an issue of grave concern.
The fact-finding mission set up to investigate the Israeli raid on the Gaza flotilla last May presented its report.
The mission finds that serious violations of both humanitarian and human rights law occurred during and after this incident.
The Council decided to follow up on the implementation of this report. It also renewed the mandate of the Committee of Independent Experts named in the aftermath of the Gaza war in January 2009.
Today, despite ample evidence of serious laws of war violations during the conflict, those responsible remain unpunished and the victims go without redress. The Human Rights Council has a responsibility to demand accountability for the parties to the conflict and to ensure that those who violated the laws of war are held accountable.
Altogether, the Human Rights Council adopted 28 resolutions and 2 decisions. On behalf of the Council, the President expressed its concern at religious intolerance and reiterated its solidarity with the Haitian people.